Hello and welcome. In this video I am going to show you how you can display product in the front page of your website. So in the previous video we learned how to create the order page, and I have designed that behind the scene, a little bit of graphics and stuff like that. Also I have added 3 example product from the Citizen website. This is just an example. You can use any demo content. So this watch is going to have like 4 feature images. We are going to display those images as a slider in the front page of our website, so the people can see different type of images. They have tags, of course. The price should be in dollar, and later I will show you how you can change it into cent, and it should show the cent number also. And this product, the other one, has only 3 images, and the last one also have 3 images with a full description, also have a title and tag with the price. So these are the product I am going to display in the front page of our website. For now I will log out, and this is the front page of our website. If I scroll down, you might remember we had the product section here. This was where we were adding the product. For now we have the product just for demo. They has the image, title and a little of description. They are not the actual product. So let's see how you can grab those products from Firebase and display them here. So for now I will close all the tabs, and I will come to my application. Coming to the code, I will close everything and start from beginning here. So if you go to the source directory, in the component section you have all your component. In the sections you have all your sections. These sections were for the front page of our website. If you remember, view was for the backend. We didn't structure it like very clearly, but you can structure it the way you want to understand. The view was what we had in the backend, and the section was where we added the section, like the product that view is going to be this section for us. These are not like proper naming, or you don't have to follow the same thing. You can have your own folder. This is just a folder that you can create another section. It should be descriptive. For now we have the product here. This is not really clear of what these products is going to do, so I will duplicate this file and I will give it a proper name. So I will give this product list.view, and this is going to give, this is a better name for the product list because it is going to list all our product. Now I should register this component. Before I register it, I have to give it a name of product hyphen list. So this is going to be the product list component, and what I can do is I can come to the main.js. This is where we can register all our components. So we have a few of them here, and also in the, let me see where I can register it. In the main, yeah, here you can register it as a global component. So I will give it a name of product list, and this is going to go, instead of the section component, it should go to the sections, which is this folder, and it should take the product list.view. And if I save it for now, let's see, yeah, it compiled successfully and it should work just fine. Now where you can use this one, you can just replace it with the one you have already used. So if I come to my views here, you know, in the home page we have displayed all of this information. So I will open the view here in the home. If you check out, here is the product I have displayed. This was like I registered the component here, the product. So you can register that in the main.js using the view component, and it is going to be accessible globally. It means anywhere in your application, if you want to list your product like this, all you have to do is just use the product.list. So if I come here, instead of the product, if I remove it and paste the product list here, if I save it for now, let's come to our application and it should refresh itself and it should work just fine. For now what I can do is I can change the title and see if this is what we want, our product list. You save it, you'll come here, and yes, it did reflect. This is the component we have. So now in this component we are going to display the proper products. So I will remove all the unnecessary product from here, which we have this one, and I will show you how you can read that from the database and show them here. You know how you read that in the backend. So this is going to be the same thing. What you can do is you can come to the product.view, which was for the backend. It is in the view folder. That's why I said you should give them a proper name. Like, you have two products here. One is in the section, one is in the view, and it will make like a confusion in the future if your application is going to grow. So for now, what I can do is I can use this section of the code in the product list here. These are the props. This string prop, the message is completely extra. For now we just put it here, but I will paste the data here, which is returning the products, all of these stuff which are not necessary. All we want is one product array, so that we can store our product when we get them from the Firebase collection called product. When we get them, we just store it in the product, and then we can show them. So how you can get those information? Before you do that, you have to import DB. You know, DB is going to be our database. You don't have to be logged in to access this information for now. So what you can do is, we will talk about security later. For now, if I come here, this is how we can import our DB from database. So I will come here and paste it. We are not going to use the FB for the Firebase. We can use only the DB for the database section. So now, if I save my file here, coming to the front end of our website, I will just inspect element and going to the view section. If you open your app, you have your home. Inside the home, you have the product list here, and in the product list, if you see, your product has already all of those products from the Firebase. This is much simple. Now you have the products, and you can use a for loop to display all those products here. Let's say this is one of the example. You can display 3 of them here. So if I come here, this is going to go for our loop. So I will show you how you can do that one. If you say v for product in products, which refer to the product array here, which have all our products. Now it is going to loop this 3 times. If I save it, coming here, it did loop this 3 times. Now instead of the surface, I can use the word, which one is the name, which refer to the title of that. So I will come instead of the surface 2. What I can do is I can say product.name, and it should say the name of that watch. As you can see, they are different. And now for the description, you can print the description here. It is a little, so I will come here, and this is going to be product.description. So if you save it for now, coming here, it is going to display the product description, but it is escaping any HTML content. So it should not escape the HTML content. It should display that properly here. So how you do that one? You can use the view HTML one, which is going to escape that. We'll do that in the next video. For now, you have add to cart and everything else. The only thing that remaining is the images here. The images should be a slider. So that is what we are going to learn in the next video, and I will show you how some of the best slider for Vue.js and which one is the best you can use for your application, and we will use that here to display all those images in a slider. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.